So we have covered all the foundation part so far. Like what is the foundation is we need JavaScript, we need ES6, we need Node.js, we need NPM to understand what are all the bits and pieces and all those things. So as we able to get all those things, let's start about what is the ReactJS. So ReactJS is nothing but a library or a package of ReactJS is a package. The way I put HTTP server as a package, ReactJS is a package from Facebook to develop the front-end applications. Okay. So now, so far, I have used NPM package called HTTP server to run the web server. Similarly, if you want to develop the ReactJS applications, you need to have some HTML files created automatically. You need to have some JavaScript ReactJS files created automatically. You want some of those JavaScript files to be referred in the HTML file automatically. What we call that as a boilerplate code. Boilerplate code means whenever I want to create a ReactJS application, I want by default some files to be automatically generated. They are HTML files, CSS file, module files, and JavaScript files and all those things. So there is a package called as create React app. If you see here, whatever you are trying to see here in this case, create React app. Okay. What it will do, it will, and again, what I'm saying, this is the package. This is the package available in the way HTTP server is a package. Similarly, create React app is a package in Node.js. It's an NPM package in Node.js. If you use that package and say my app, what it will do is it will go and create a new app called as my app with the default code that is required for creating a React.js application. Okay. Now we have talked about NPM and I'm using here is a npx command. So what is the difference between NPM versus NPX? NPM means if you want to use any package called as create React app, what it will do is it will go and install that package locally and then it will start executing that command. Whereas you don't want to install that package, you want to download it in memory, execute it, and then you want to ignore it. That is where you are going to use the NPX. That's the main difference. So you don't have to worry too much about those things. And I request everyone to use the NPX create React app to develop the new application. Okay. So what we do here now, I request everyone go and create a new folder called as project. Now what we are going to do is we are going to create a new folder. Okay, let's go here, open folder. What is this folder? This is the folder, right? So let's go. First, I'm going to give the instructions. Okay. Then I'll ask all of you to do it. So let's go here and change your working path and try to go and create a new folder called as React project. Okay, you can say React project. I want React project. Okay, then open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, open this folder in the Visual Studio Code. Now you say Control J. At this location, now I want to go and create my React application. At this folder, I want to go and create my React application. Let me go and do this. I'm just going to use this command. At the same time, I'm going to share you this command. Take a note of this command. So I'm going to here, if you want to create that as a my app, you can go and create it as my app. If you want to create it as Tilescart app or anything, it should be fine. So yeah. So now if you see, it started creating the React app application. So it will take a while. So what is create React app? Create React app is nothing but a package, node package. The way HTTP server is a package to create a new React application. So what I'm using the React app to create an app called as my app. So what exactly the my app? It is going to have some boilerplate code. If you see here, it is automatically creating some content form. It creates some package.json. So this package.json has some information. Now it started installing React DOM, React scripts, which are a template. So all of them are nothing but the React packages. All of them are nothing but the React packages that are available which are required for doing the development over there. So what we do is some of these things, even if it is not clear to you, don't worry about that. I'm going to explain once we do a good progress on those things. Okay. Now at this moment, what we are going to do was we are going to create a new application called as React application to start our web development, to start creating the React application. It will take a while. And once it is done, like once everything is done, it will say all the packages has been installed. Once that step is done, as you know, if you see, it has already updated this create React template. So many things. It has updated the package.json. It creates some public folder. It created some source folder. I'm going to explain each one, every one of these things here. Like I'm going to explain each and everything of this. But in meantime, so now if you see here, it has created almost 250 packages, and it is still trying to do some processing. Yeah. Now if you see here, all my packages has been installed. Now, if you see here, it has said happy hacking, and we suggest to begin by typing cd my app and npm start. So React application, what it is going to do is internally it is going to create a web server for you. The way I'm telling about web server previously, right? It is going to create a web server for you. And at the same time, it is going to run your ReactJS application. Like what exactly is happening in the background, I'm going to explain it to you. But ensure that you are able to run the command. It will open the browser automatically and you're able to see the React.js logo like this.